Hello and welcome to the UBT Football Show. Igama lami Wendy wakwaNtshangase, and right next to me I do have uMenceks. Unjani Menceks?
Akaphile sibingelele ku South Africa yonke Mr Google uyabingelela.
Yeah, AI. So today we're going to be talking about the games that have already played, and sibonileke kwi table ishintshe kakhulu, right? Ka overtake kana abanye basuka phezulu bayezansi. A lot happened. So Mamelodi Sundowns at the moment is currently number 1. They have 32 points. Kaizer Chiefs is second with 30 points. Orlando Pirates is third with 29 points. And then AmaZulu, they are fourth with 27 points.
Yeah.
Right. So Orlando Pirates was number 2, but then since they lost that game, they didn't lose the game, they drew Neskukune. They drew Neskukune and then basically sharing points. So cool. So I want us to get into a game, Orlando Pirates, Neskukune. What went wrong, Lapayan?
I think with Orlando Pirates it's always the case of who should start the game, because at the end of the game players kunalokho ukuthi ubani should have started the game, but philosophy ya coach Pirates sengibonile ukuthi unayo lento ukuthi igame ufuna ukuthi ayiwine ngama subs, but unfortunately in this case it did not work out, even though he introduced Mfokeng, Apollos later. They've dominated the game very well, more especially Mfokeng. He has proved ukuthi he is a star in South Africa. He has proof, and I really wish kulo nyaka angashayina athole team phesheya naye, because umfana usehlalile bandla. So ukuprovile kakhulu kule game, dominated kakhulu, uzamile ngama assist, but unfortunately akuzange uze kusebenze. Ibe ne defense enkulu kakhulu opposite side, so I believe ukuthi mhlawumbe ucoach kuba uqale ngabo early bezoba ngcono ama results ayo, and bakhalele kakhulu abantu ukuthi kufanele ngabe baqalile igame.
Ngempela, from starting games to now being kwi-bench, ukhona ushintsho olenzekile kuMfokeng? Because ubewaqala ubuwazi ukuthi okay, he's always going to start, he's always in the starting 11. Kwaya.
Ish, like I said, ugcina ungasazi ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha yana kwi team yabo iOrlando Pirates, ukuthi kwenzakalani, because uthi uyambona umuntu uyadlala, uthi ambona umunye akasadlali, but kunesikhathi la khona bekade engadlali khona wabuya waya kwi-national team, so mayebuya bengicanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bazomqalisa ama-games, but ke in this case akazange azaqale, so kuye kwaba khulu naleyo blame ukuthi hayi cha ukuba uyiqalela igame bekuzoba ngconywana kakhulu ama-results.
So this was a very much needed win for Orlando Pirates. Bebeyidinga le win, unfortunately ayenzekanga.
Yeah, and ubukhumbule futhi ukuthi kusana lento ukuthi bane game in hand, so indaba game in hand yakhulumisa kakhulu mfethu, indaba game in hand. Nalabo abangaphesheya sebena game in hand, ubonile ukuthi kune game postpone yokubona, so sebezoba ne game in hand nawo beza ukuthi kunjani bane game in hand, ngoba imnandi lento game in hand yabo nje basebezoba ne game in hand nabo. I am sure mfethu sesizoke sithi ukufana bebandlululwa nje labanye ngoba nakubengena igame in hand.
But then what's the fuss about the game in hand? Because that's actually more pressure. That's more pressure, because a game in hand doesn't mean points in hand.
Yeah, ifake pressure kakhulu indaba game in hand, and ngiyengeza abantu bekhuluma indaba zokuthi ama fixture assetswa khona lapha na kwekhali Orlando Pirates, ngiyaxaya ukuthi bakuthatha up lokho bana lento yokuthi ngoba nakho khoza unesikhundla bese beyitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe uyena osetha ama fixture, uyizwe inkulumo njengale abantu beyikhuluma kakhulu ukuthi hayi isikhulu sayo Orlando Pirates so nesifisa ama game yabo, gcineni lokho kuyifakele pressure. I don't think kuyiqiniso lelo ukuthi kunjalo fethu, mina angikholela kulokho ukuthi angahlekisa amasibongo game.
Yeah, no, I also don't think.
But abanye ke bayahwaya bathi iPirates sinabadlali abasebenzayo yini njengoba bengadlali phandle ethu. Ngiyakudida lokho, because I don't think khona umdlali PSL fethu ongasebenza fethu, like bayahwaya fethu ngalokho.
So bebedinga ngempela ukuthi bewine le game le, because sebaqoqile ama cup maningi. However, if there's one cup that they need, akade bagcina win i-league.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mina basa kwe competition, like I said the other time ukuthi in history kade kwagcina ukuthi sibe ne league ezoba more competitive kangaka, ukuthi I still believe le league le izoba ne decider nge last game, and kade sakugcina lokho. Because kunama gap, so in such a long time sizokubona lokho ukuthi ngegame yokugcina ibe i-decider ama game medlala kanye kanye kube khona oqukulayo ngala kube khona odisappointekayo while game isaqhubeka. I think we're going to have one of those league kulokho. So I'm happy kakhulu ngendlela ama team enze ngayo alandelana eduze uyabona ukuthi even though abantu bekujabulela ukuthi how namhlanje sesehlile sesunamba bani but kusuka kuyi excitement yesikhashana basuke baza abantu ukuthi no angeke uzojabulela ukuthi unumber 4 ekubeni unumber 1 umshiya mhlawumbe ekushiya mhlawumbe ngo 1 point
abantu
but kusuka kuyi excitement ye game nje kodwa egcineni I think siya enjoy lokho njengamafan ebhola abalibukelayo ukuthi kubalansile ayikho lento ukuthi angithi yabona nje manje la Malville Golden Arrows ukuthi kade unumber 11 ya draw wayisu number 10 ngathi aba ukuthi kushiyana kancane kanjani and kumnandi makunjalo hayi lento yegap
igap makes it obvious ukuthi okay this person is taking it
yenza kube obvious kakhulu and ukhumbuleke ukuthi ayenze kakhulu ngesikhathi sikaRolani so unfortunately in this case I don't think uKhadosa ngakwazi ukuyivula igap angimbone ivula.
Yes, and sisazi kuKhadosa because there's a lot going on there. But back to Isikhukhune bayakwazi ukhandlisha Orlando Pirates. Most of the time Orlando Pirates struggles under Isikhukhune because Isikhukhune is able to absorb the pressure and then menze show ukuthi babafakela bona pressure but not in an attacking mode but menze show ukuthi la eswini inkingi iqale khona. And Orlando Pirates sometimes or most of the time actually they struggle to crack it. It's not impossible but they are able to actually crack it kodwa kuba nenkinga when it comes to that. So that's also one of the reasons why they were able to draw kule game because ububona ukuthi you can never count Isikhukhune out. Against Orlando Pirates you can never.
But with ucoach wayo uThinkla ubukhumbula ukuthi naye usekwa coach Orlando Pirates so there's always going to be that beef yokuthi bangabezodlala nePirates kuba naleyo fighting spirit ukuthi ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi since sekwa coach before ufuna ukuthi ayicinezele ngawonke okusemandleni. So I believe nalokho futhi kuyacounta ngoba buka nje iSundowns bavele bayededela kalula but not kalula kangako nakhona ngoba egamini bazamile because iSundowns ziyakora ngabo last minute le bazamile kakhulu. So I can conclude by saying idefense yabo is strong kakhulu bayakwazi ukuthi babsorb pressure. But ke kwiOrlando Pirates ngicathi mabeyolwa nayo hayi benza sure ukuthi hayi abalali ngisho ukulala mhlawumbe bakhempa kuze kuse ngoba ikhona leyo nto engiyibonayo mina ukuthi hayi the fighting spirit.
So do you think the fighting spirit is only against the Orlando Pirates?
Obviously phela ngithi team absekwa coach before even ngisho nakuma players umdlali meseke wayidlalela team ukubona make bamfaka ukuthi hayi usuke ufuna ukuyoprove yabo ufuna ukuyoprove kukhona lokho.
So the performances were great. Mr. Sbalanje Vuyoli Tlapa, which is a midfielder, his steadiness in tracking ama wide range Orlando Pirates performance yakhe was really good. Baninga ba performa kahle ubona ukuthi okay this is a really great performance especially in defense and the midfield. So if nabo bapusha kakhulu also in attacking because I think abakwazi to focus on attacking and defending at the same time. So they choose one ukuthi okay la sizo defender especially Sweeney nalapha emove or they're going to be attacking. They are unable to actually focus on both at the same time kwigame one.
I would say maybe they are struggling with the poison we striker yabo eSouth Africa vele nje isastrugglisha kakhulu ngabantu abanjengalabo. So I think bastrugglisha ngalowo muntu njengalo ozoba nje ikhila kubona ozokwazi ukuthi nje ashaya amanqabu njengoHophe umuntu waziwayo ukuthi uyingozi yabo njengosniper yabo abantu abanjengalabo nathi sinaye la kwiGolden Arrows uyabona na ukuthi uSquish uyakhwishizela ngempela. I think they are struggling ngomuntu njengalo ozokwazi ukuthi enze sure ukuthi basonke isikhathi mabedlala ama games uyingozi kwamanye ama team i-threat kwamanye ama team. I think ilokho kuphela mase bathole leyo muntu bangaba ingozi kakhulu. Isikhukhune team engasho ngithi team enkulu eSouth Africa mancane kakhulu amathuba ukuthi singa dropa kule level esikuyona mangabe singadayisa kakhulu ama players.
Mani iqala nobalo mahopa uThabahopa
ngiyambala naye futhi angifuni ukudlala ngawe ngathini use strike scorer njengamanje bekade strike kulokuthiwa siyabuya sodlala nabantu manje usiyalishaya inqako mahopa futhi ngiyambala more especially ama header ngiyambala nakona.
I-style samahopa sithini i-style of play sakhe because azi ukuthi umuntu nje oyi-striker ya strike. However with him he's very good at yabo ama-game ama-goals la abalulekile in really crucial games. Wabona at the time isidlala ne-Cameroon, in as much as i-goal lakhe lingasizanga, but lasibuyisela ithemba ukuthi okay, at least uMakgopa is able to score those important goals, but once in a while mhlawumbe after 6 games, and kulezo ikhathi lapho angakori khona, you would think ukuthi this person is defending against a team.
Yeah, but I think uyasiza kakhulu ukuthi kukore ama winger, so uyabuya futhi azodlala nabantu and uyakwazi ukupressa futhi isitala so coach isihlukile. O coach abanye abakholelwe itrackeni ekwazi ukuthi ivele zime nje ilindele ukuthi izophasela ibhola njengo sniper yabo. Bakhona abakholela kuleyo nto, mina nje ngiyakholela kuleyo nto. Mina ngifuna istriker sibe striker yabo, but kuMakgopa yena istriker isiboyayo somaga esisizayo kakhulu, esikwaziyo nokupressa futhi abantu bagcine sebephenika benza ama mistake, ukwazi ukuthi ukora abanye abantu ungakori yena. So I believe isitala sakhe sokudlala ibhola sidependa ku coach ukuthi coach usuke efuna. Ma ukuthi ucoach ufuna i-deadly striker, umuntu omayo yathi ngiphaseleni ngishaya inqaku, uzothatha mhlawumbe abantu abanjengomabasa. But ma ukuthi ufuna umuntu okwazi ukuthi afake i-pressure yabo, akwazi ukuthi apress, uzothatha umuntu njengoMakgopa and usizo kakhulu. Ngiyangibona ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe iPirates ya-attack uyakwazi ukuthi ngalawo ma-head alikhipha ibhola asize kakhulu.
So ngasho ukuthi uMakgopa is not too big on technical brilliance, but ukuthi abe at the right place at the right time.
Yes.
Because isikhathi esiningi kusuke nje kwama goals ama tap in.
Yeah.
So ngasho ukuthi he's good at being at the right place at the right time.
Yeah, ngasho njalo futhi.
Okay. And then we move on to Marumo Gallants and Kaizer Chiefs. Benjani le game? Before ngitshela overall le game. Why nithi cross leyan?
Yule papa sihleze akusi cross ngathini, kuthiwa square. Yabo lo muntu ithi umuntu ashaya ibhola ebheke phansi athi malithola umuntu e18 ngizobona uhleze eshaya ikwele, sihleze sibona izikwele ziyana yabo, kuthiwa square akushiyo ukuthi cross. Cross usukubuka umuntu amqalaza wazi ukuthi ngiphasela sibanibani yabo, 6 yard uyazi ukuthi usukuya kumuntu lesani square, yazi square. Yeah, so yena ubeshaya isikwele nje behlezeza.
Angiboni mina leyo.
Wavele waqondana ke la enethini yabo.
Akwazi because yabo ubuka like different angles yalela goal leliyana. That was a beautiful goal. Ngibona i-technique.
Mina ngibona isikwele. Uhleze ishaya ikwele yabo, first ngiyakutshela uhleze ishaya ikwele. Uyashutha ke umjito oshuthayo vele yabo. Muhle ngalapho, but I believe leyana ubengaqondile ukora, but it was a great goal fethu, ngilishayela ihlombe kakhulu lihle. I believe lizobala njengamanye amagoli amahle kakhulu
ama content. Yes. Mubuke body language yakho Lilepo, that was a goal. I-body language yakhe yabo uLilepo ube nama-touch out too. I-touch yokuqala was when he was receiving the ball, eyesibili was when he was trying to calculate ukuthi udlula kanjani kulo muntu ophambi kwakhe, lesithathu was the shoot. Bingekho iplayer ye-Orlando ye-Kaizer Chiefs ngale, so how is that a cross? Ucrossela bani? In as much as no
uhleze kwenza mfethu, uhleze kwenza ibhola nje melishayule lepo nje akabuka ukuthi usuke phasela bani, yena ushaya isikwele esomfica bethe 18.
Ngicela ngadlali. That was a good goal, and it was just great. It was great. The angling yakhe yonke into was just precise. The body language.
Let's hope uzoliphinda ngelinye ilanga. Ngizobuya ngizoxolisa ngisho.
Ngiyam invalidate ke manje. Yabona?
Okay, kulungile. Let's hope, but ngiyamnikeza credit yazi.
Yeah. So that was a great goal.
Yeah.
Contender nje.
Another thing that is burning about the game ye Kaizer Chiefs indaba yama clean sheets ka goalkeeper. Sasha indaba yama clean sheets ka goalkeeper phethu mina ngathini ngibuka ukuthi mhlambe iKaizer idefense yayo isi strong, more especially mangabe ngekho uMiguel, isi strong kakhulu, and ngicathi yona emsizayo because angaze ngiwabone mina ama save answempo kangako phethe washaya yabo, but indlela sekunomsindo ngayo ama clean sheets manje hayi
kodwa stats ke
and nami ngiyamnikeza credit ngoba phela iwona ama clean sheets phethe, iwona ama clean sheets. Yeah, no Sipho Chain futhi nawe uyaba nama clean sheets, but yena ngimbone wasave amabhola lo goalkeeper hayi bengamboni, utsheba hayi bengamboni bese shaba save answempo. Wena usukabona ama save answempo?
Yes, uba nama great saves. Really? He does have great saves. Yes, shuthi phela wena uzama ukuthi they don't attack abantu abasuke bedlala against Orlando Pirates, they don't shoot. Not Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs. Yes. uqonda ukuthi they don't shoot
Bashoot
into
they
serious.
they miss yabo kuba lawo mabhola nje ayizela kuyena mfethu yabo asinazo South Africa itrike eziyingozi kangako mfethu so iKaizer Chiefs ke mfethu i-team ebikade producer o goalkeeper abayita
Yeah.
since I was young obaloyi mfethu o Fernandes o Khune yabo i-team nje yabo so for now mina I don't think okwamanje isanawo goalkeeper esingambiza ngestar but lo kwamanje hayi mfethu uyazama yena ngifuna uqamba kulaba kade bekhona phambilini uyazama yena yeah but akakayimithi lo level yalabo goalkeeper engathi bebekade beyitaka uKaizer Chiefs.
iKaizer Chiefs okamanje it's a team overall including the goalkeeper but by a team they're not dangerous enough to put you under pressure but also at the same time awukwazi ukuba comfortable kakhulu because you never know they do come njengoba nje be number 2 manje yeah.
And another thing mina ngiye ngibuke kubona ucoach wabo ngamfanisa njengocoach weSundowns uKados ngathi uyasaba ukuthi angaphelelwa iSpani ufike aqale kahle ngelineup yakhe mase bona ukuthi okay manje igame isiya ko 60 minutes and abakakori uvele nje enza amasapha wajikjele nje egroundini enza amasapha wajikjele egroundini ngendlela ekuthusayo ukuthi ngathi uthi mangidliwe noma ngingawenanga ngiyobe ngizamile ngoba ngifakile abadlali. There was this other game whereby babedlala neLamontville Golden Arrows bawina ngo 1-0 ngiyabanikeza credit but kunesikhathi la khona wayefuna ukukhipha khona uBlackball uNdlovu wabo uNdlovu ngesikhathi emkhipha ihlwele zakhuza wayilalela ihlwele kwagcina sekuyihlele ezenza abasaba okhombisa ukuthi ngathi wengasazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani and lokho kwangithusa kakhulu kucoach wabo uTolika ukuthi kahle kahle uTolika wenza njani manje mfethu
iexplanation yakhe kodwa wayisa ukuthi uthe why kwagcina ngasamkhipha kuNdlovu
wezwa ngehlwela ngagoqa nje wezwa ngehle sasibuka igame thina sambona wefuna ukhipha iBlackball wayibona ukuthi ihlwele ziyathetha emva kalokho wambuyisela ihlwele sezithi hayi loyo ilento yakhe ukuthi bangabe esebona ukuthi use under pressure avela jikjela abadlali egroundini bonke ngoba nakhe efuna ukuthi athi mayidliwe team angene mina ngiwenzile umsebenzi ukuthi ngiwafaka amasapha ngiye ngimbone mina lapho.
So Moti, you give them credit should you that was not an offside goal
ayibo
against the Arrows. You just said you give them credit though.
Phela ngathi bawinile PSL ngathi asina iVAR so egcineni win yabo sabanika bona ize noma yasilimaza kakhulu nje leyawini yabo sisuka la sithi siyothuma abantu uphuthe kufike ekuthunge thina ngegoli elingekho akusilona igoli lana bethi clear offside and iyasilimaza kakhulu lonto eSouth Africa because ekugcineni igcina isixoshisa ucoach yabo so ayikho right lonto because ucoach phela ucoach ngama results ngeke ukuthi masekuhlelwe phansi sekuthiwa hayi ngoba kwaba yi-offside la ngoba kwaba yini labo egcineni bengasadeliver kadeliver coach uzodedela ethimini ngezinto enjengalezi izinto ezifuna ukuphanyelwa kakhulu lezo.
Will it not be worse offside VAR because I operation there's people behind it of which those people are going to be the same people who are already working manje. It's going to be a referee asuke lapha ningabonanga ukuthi okay leli goal doesn't count. It's still going to be the same referee ohambe yo check.
But let's give them a chance ukuthi at least uzokwazi ukukhamba ayobheka bokusise kahle rather than ukuthi avela thathe decision based on into ayibonile angenayo isho yakhe. At least kulokho abadlali bazokwazi ukucomplain abaphamisa isandla baye kuyena bamfakela ipressure ukuthi hambe uyobheka iVAR mase ebhekile iVAR abuke yena ukuthi ish ngiyaqinisela la noma ngiyaqhubeka bakufani kuba nalokho because phela abantu basuke sebezoyibona into ngoba banalento ukuthi ubonile wanikezwa ne second chance ukuthi ubone okwesibili awuyibeka ngani yabo iyakhulumisa kakhulu iVAR ngisho ngathi mhlawumbe ufunjathisiwe uma ukuthi kuyikhona lento ukuthi ugwazela kuba inkinga masubona ukuthi ngempela ke le akusiyo offside le yabo so lokho iVAR ingasiza kakhulu ngakho.
I know ngiyakuzwa so iKaizer Chiefs at the moment ama performances abo ubona like the final product is always scoreline is relaxing their end product it's never mhlawumbe ukuthi scoreline isibizarre maybe 4-0 or 3-0 so bona nje should just get those 3 points or just get a point ebese bayadlula
kumele sibancome futhi sibashayele ihlombe lokuthi akusafani nasekuqaleni mabekwazi ukuthi bacompetele ileague title kade kubheda kakhulu ngifuna uqamba amanga mfethu bengasa enjoying ukuthi ubabone belapha ko number 8 kwesinye isikhathi because phela nayo lento yokuthi i-team ebikade i-team eyi-giant kwi-PSL
Yes.
kuyanandisa ukuthi ibe laphana kwi-competition. So njengoba sebesondela nje bekwazi ukuthi babe ko number 2 number 3 kuhle lokho. It's just that into eshodayo kubona i-style of football lesi esisaziwe sakudala bekade khona izitaka eKaizer. So expectile ukuthi sikubone lokho ibhola elihle ladlala oThabo Muki kumnandi first kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. So sakudinga lokho ukuthi sikubone kakhulu.
Ngikuze umention nomthethwa before we even started washo ukuthi uOx ubona injani performance ye team njengoba engekho at the moment because
kadadla
kadadla
role yakhe umthetho egroundini more especially mangabe kufanele ukuthi kumako yabo. It's just that bekunalento yokuthi ibhola libuye lilahleke kuyena, but it's always count against you as mhlawumbe i-defender mangabe wena izothi mangabe i-team ungasekho uthola ukuthi ayisakoreka yabo. So njengoba yena i-defensive midfielder nakho kukhona lokho ukuthi akasekho sibanibani sesinama clean sheets, but mina I see him as a good player. It's just that bangasalungisa lento ukuthi mephethe ibhola relax akwazi ukuthi abone umuntu ongakuba phasa kahle ibhola. He will be an excellent defensive midfielder umthetho.
Sesithatha ke sibuyise ekhaya. Richards Bay versus Golden Arrows. What a game.
Ay. Yabona kodwa singakabuyele ekhaya uke waba khona umsindo ke ngendaba yokuthi sebesukile ku number 2 lababanye kwangena abanye. Njoba ngitshela ukuthi ama expectations ale ya team leyana fethu mina ngiwashayela ihlomba amafena eKaizer fethu ngokuthi akwazi ukuba supportive kangaka fethu emva ukuthi movile nje fethu hayi umsindo bekhona hayi kodwa singaqhubeka fethu.
Richards Bay versus Golden Arrows.
Idabi. Yo.
A derby.
Hayi. Yabo amadapa njengalawayana. Amadapa nje asawazi fethu. And into engichaze kakhulu ngale ya game i-attendance yama fans.
Yes.
Hayi kumele sishayele
Friday nights. Yes.
Yakhombisa ukuthi people are doing away from lento yokuthi kuthiwa kunama small teams yabo, and lokho kumele ukuthi kube into eyiculture sibagqugquzela abantu ukuthi baye ema-groundini bayobukela ama-games. Nala eThekwini expectile ukuthi bangabikho iza ngalani iBay izodlala nathi ba support abantu bagcwale baphume kumlazi la muntu bagcwale egroundini ibe inhle kakhulu iattendance.
Yeah, attendance was really good. Engikunakisisile was that ucoach Manqoba Mnqithi he didn't want ukuthi bajabule kakhulu, especially when they equalized. Befuna ukuthi be relax because he understood ukuthi there's still a lot of minutes left in the game. So do you think that's also into abafundisa yona when they are all training ukuthi don't get ahead of yourself, because bathe sebe equalizile just a few minutes later langena futhi lesibili le Richards Bay.
It wasn't just that, it was i-reading yegame yakho, uyibonile igame ukuthi akusiyona igame ezobalula. Nami ngibonile lokho igame iqala ukuthi hayi cha bayimisele kakhulu abafana bakhona ekhaya le eBay ukuthi bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi bayabajabulisa abalandeli babo njengoba begcwele kangaka egroundini. So ibonakalile iqala igame ukuthi even though iGolden Arrows ingabuya but you can't expect ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi maintain yabo. So I think ubebuka lokho na hey bayimisela abafana beBay, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga angani noma bebemisela ngoba nakho mhlawumbe bekade kuyi-derby. Yeah but idlalile mfethu kakhulu iGolden Arrows, ngifuna uqamba amanga mfethu. I was so disappointed ukuthi igame ayewinanga. Ngingasho ngithi kuhlezi kunje mangabe kuzoba iderby nombani ufuna ukuya all out ngoba nakho usuke ufuna ukuthi ayiwina igame sikhohle ukudefend yabo ukora amagoal awu2 egamini kusho okukhulu. So kufanele siwine igame, unfortunately azange sesiwine ngoba i-defense yethu azange zibe strong enough ukuthi yenze sure ukuthi asiconcede.
Yeah, uqinisile. And igame bell uqinisile like ithe iqala nje 7 minutes in. Okay, signe penalty. Now what makes people more interested with game ama goals. So of course uzothi 7 minutes in sekhona penalty that's been called out, and abongile Tom usebenzile laphana because omunye would just say nah I
not just a penalty phela khona igoli ebecishe elingenile ngakuthina lapho keeper eselibambile walheader ngilincome kakhulu ngisengaposta ku social media ngathi great work from abongile Tom omunye bezoyiyeka le nto besocandwa nje manje ngabe silemisile nabanye abantu. So usizile kakhulu futhi ngalokho ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayibone le nto leyana ukuthi akusilona igoli leyana.
Yes, and mina ngize ngiyibona when they were repeating it because ngibona okay sengeni there was a lot of chaos in the box, so I didn't see ukuthi goalkeeper had already had the ball with him. So ngithe sekuphinda I was like oh okay Okay, so the fact that Abongile Tom was there and he saw it at the same time and he called it off.
Kodwa abantu ke ngeke baze bamncome njengoba behlezi bemgxeka kangaka. Lo muntu umbonile ukuthi ke AFCON uhambe wayobhajwa. Mawucabanga ngeyazi World Cup la muntu. Uzobe khona World Cup esirepresenta, kumele siyiqhenye ngaye mfethu. Ukuthi abantu ke banaka izinto ezibheda kuphela ngomuntu. Ngeke baze bayincome le yanto. Izinto njengalezana ziyanconywa ukuthi akana VAR lo muntu lona kodwa ukwazela ukuthi ayibone into njengaleyana ukuthi no akusilona igoli lana.
And do you see ukuthi ucoach usemlungise kanjani uNdlovu?
What's a star?
Do you see that?
What's a star mfethu? Angifuni ukudlala ngawe. Akekho umuntu ongamkhaleli uSquish eteamini yakhe. Ubuka ama comments mawumpostile abantu mfethu bethi ngathi angeza kwiPirates ngathi lethe kade ngisho ukuthi mina angiyifuni lento mfethu. Mina ngifuna ukuthi umdlali mesoka kwiArrows asoka kwiArrows phesheya straight ukuze khona ezophakamisa igama lani leGolden Arrows. Kwazi ukuthi umdlali osuka kwiGolden Arrows. Hayi phatha umdlali osuka kwiPirates, usuka kwiKaizer, usuka kwiSundowns. No. Ngiyakujabulela kakhulu ukuthi abadlali basheshe bashayini kakhulu kuona lama team ethu lawo yabo ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bayiphakamisa ilevel of football yethu. Ayithi abo manje ukuthi sengingasuka umuntu mhlawumbe aba 100 bathi bafuna ukuyobuka uSquish egroundini. Kwenzakalani kwiCooper City? Yagcwala egroundini bathi bazobuka iLamontville Golden Arrows yabo. So lokho mfethu kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi abadlali abanjengalabo mabesuka basuke baye phesheya basuka from ama team ethu. Hayi lento ukuthi phatha umdlali kumele ama team njengo Orlando Pirates but hey umjida mfethu hey was so impressive yesterday.
Yes.
So impressive.
Yes,
le rana ishayile mfethu wa 6 yard ushayile. Igoli hayi mfethu we have a star. Mina into engiyishilo ngithe iWorld Cup yothi ifike yobe amongst the players azobedlala World Cup. Ngisho njalo mina. Phela azikho ingozi kangaka eSouth Africa zama players. Azikho ingozi kangaka futhi angadlali ngawo. Apolice naye ubuyaba ingozi abuyehla abuyehla. Lo yamfana mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi uzoba consistent.
Yes, agility yakhe.
Abantu basemakhaya buko mvukazi. Yabo? So nje khona lokho mfethu ukuthi buko osangweni. Yabo? Ukhona lokho ukuthi angikhohlwa la ngiphuma khona. So kumele ngifight ngaso sonke isikhathi. And unayo le nto mawumuzwa ngisho ekhuluma ukuthi umoya wakho ubeke phansi. Kodwa unalento ukuthi ngizoyenza lento yenzeke ngoba ngikhohliwe la ngiphuma khona ekhaya. Yothi ifike World Cup yobe amongst the players ayobe khona lapha and siyobe sithembele kuyena. Ngiyamncoma kakhulu mfethu nala khona ngazuthi angayibuka le show akuze lokho engikushoyo mfethu ukuthi hayi ngiyamnika icredit mfethu. He is a big player South Africa.
Yes.
Hayi ukuthi uzoba i big player. No, we big player njengamanje.
Yes, he is a player ongathembela kuyona, however just needs to work on the finishing sometimes. In as much as you see it's okay, the performance is great, agility is great, ball control it's great. However, mese sekumele kufinishe sometimes inkinga iqala lapha because when you check the stats or goal contributions it's not where it's supposed to be because the potential is there. We are born, the potential is there, performance is great. Izolo nje uperforme kahle kabi.
Cool.
Yeah. So, yeah, hopefully he will be able to represent us and yeah, okunye okubalekileke is to also ensure ukuthi we maintain the public conversations la wenzakalayo because that also counts a lot. It counts a lot. You having to speak more about the player, post more about the player. Other people who are fans, fans, they also start like paying attention and putting more pressure in as much as our national coach Engez Wangati. But he would be aware of, oh, okay, there's a certain player Eganje and
ngisho ngathiwa kezwa ngathi I don't think la khona angamzibi uSquish la khona. Ngiyamazi umuntu oqoqinisayo ekhanda kodwa hayi I don't think angamzibi.
Do you think he watches the games?
Ngibumlilo wodwa mina. Ngibumlilo wodwa. So I don't think ukuthi uzomziba mfethu. Ngeke.
Okay. Ngiyazake and then AmaZulu versus TS Galaxy.
Yeah, naleyo futhi bekuyigame ebinzima kakhulu. Engeke ngidlale ngawo.
5 goals.
Angeke ngidlale ngawo bekuyigame ebinzima kakhulu. I think iRasta le TS Galaxy uMavundla at time naye ashine somewhere. Usehlalele kakhulu kuyona TS Galaxy sesizile kakhulu. Hey, uyadlala umjida. Ngifuna ukudlala ngawo uyadlala umjida. But futhi enye into engiyibukile uZwane kumsebenzele kakhulu amasapha akhe because abadlali abafakele bo2 ibona abashaya amagoli. So amagame amaningi ku PSL manje ngibuka ukuthi asewina ngawo amasapha. So singamnikeza icredits kakhulu ngokushaya ama super sub uzwane egamini.
So do you think it helps ukuthi i-player ibe sebenchini not start so that they can be able to read the game?
Yeah, kusuka vele kuyi game plan leyo, and even though nalama players asokade wa introduce the ground inekholelo ukuthi anga finisher but uyakwazi ukuthi uba save abantu one sure ukuthi laba ngifuna ukuthi nje ngishaye super sub ngapha. So I think he did that and it worked for him. Kunomchita futhi odlalela amaZulu ogqoka u2. He played well and lo mchita lo I believe ukuthi omunye wabantu futhi abazoba ama stars. It's just that abanye aba players ukuyitshela ukuthi lo mdlalo une potential uthi yambona usenyamalele kakhulu yabo. And lokho kwezinye zezinto ogcina ungasayi understand ukuthi is it football noma is it personal problems. So I really wish abadlali bangakwazi ukuthi bathole usizo if it's personal ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bashine, because ayaba khona ama stars eSouth Africa uthi yabona umdlalo awusambona ukuthi ushonaphi, uthi ambona useshone phansi, mhlawumbe kuba i problem ne team, I don't know, but he is a promising player. Umjita ogqoka u2 kumaZulu ngambuka, just that igama lakhe ngikhohliwe, but he's a good player.
Do you think game time contributes to that? Ukuthi play ugcina usubone ngathi isiphelele emoyeni?
Obviously phela i-game time ine influence yokuthi wena kwenzakalani kuwena eteamini. Ngenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe ibehavior yakho khona ama stars uthola ukuthi umuntu once waqala wavela 2 or 3 times ku TV wadlala kahle wanconya, usuzombona mhlawumbe omunye useyaphuza. I'm not saying uyaphuza lo mchito, but I'm saying ukuthi kuyenzeka kuma players amaningi. So leyo nto lo iya contribute kakhulu kuma stars ukuthi agcine ngashayinanga kahle ngenxa yokuthi mhlawumbe ibehavior yakhe. So uthi umuntu akasadlaliswa egroundini, hlezi ke sikuzwa ukukhulunywa ngama players abantu besho ukuthi usibani ushibiza kakhulu, suke singeke asazi thina, but izinto enjengalezo mhlawumbe ngenzeka futhi ukuthi ama personal problems, umuntu unama issues ekhaya, thola ukuthi umuntu bekade istar uthi ambona kasekho egroundini. So lokho kuyakulimaza kakhulu i-South African football.
Yeah, uqinisile. Nanokuthi also this game besitshela ukuthi it's going to be a goalless draw because singene ku half time there was no goals. 30 minutes into the second half there were no goals. Igoli lokuqala lize lakora was in 70 minutes. 70 minutes in. So kuthusile lokho to now know ukuthi at the end of the game kugcine kora ama goal awu5. Mina ngiyabona ama tactics, I see the tactics, but show us the end products. Once there are goals, that's when I start enjoying a game fully. Okay, yabona ke manje, now this is a game. So it was really impressive to see ukuthi sebebambene game pondo ke manje ke, because they were understanding also okay game siyaphela, but no one is willing to back down and share the points.
3-2.
Yeah.
Ashayiwa amagoli kuleya game kade ngwabukisisa kahle, yazi igame ukuyibuka uphinde uqale phansi uyibukisisa kahle kuseni ufuna ukubuka kahle itechnique yamagoli, ashayiwe mfethu amagoli. So it was one of ama games adlalile last week engasho ngithi ibe outstanding kakhulu. Azange uze shawe isquare, akuzange uze kushawe igoli elifluke, kushawa amagoli aclean.
Ubhizi nalesquare nkosi yami, that was a clear goal ngisasho namanje. That was a planned goal. But overall that was a great game, and uqinisile we can count it amongst ama games abedlala kuleli sonto that were really nice. Atazwana is doing a really good job with team. The performances overall are just exceptional, and amaZulu they were under pressure though. They were under pressure, but they used efficiency ukuze bekwazi ukuwina leya game, because besebebona nokuthi time is ticking, because ETS Galaxy was dominating the entire game.
Ngiyamnika many credits Atazwana. He is a good coach. I believe ukuthi bashashe bamdedela lapha neteamini enkulu. He is a good coach. Mawubuka indlela ayirida ngayo igame, because indlela enza ngayo ukuthi afake lamajita u2 ama super sub afika kora u2, I see him as a good coach. So I really believe ukuthi mhlawumbe one day bayokubona lokho ekhaya elikhulu babuye bambuyisele khona bahlukane noToli.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa ke lokho. And then now Sekhukhune versus Mamelodi Sundowns. How was that game?
Igame ayibanga mnandi ngaleyo ndlela isikhathi eside, because abebefundana igame yonke, so ababanga khona kakhulu ama shots on target, okuyinto engihlezi mina ngilangazelela egamini. But egcineni ke kwaba iyashintsha igame. Ngingasho futhi ngithi ucoach Kadoso naye omunye wabantu akholela kakhulu players lawa asuke kuwo waphesheya athengwe ngemali enkulu kwiSundowns
Yep.
yabo kuyiyona into owayehambela uRulani ngokwama rumors ukuthi wengafuna ukudlalisa lawo ama players lawo wedlalisa ama local players sikubonile kakhulu kule game lena oMutawu bebekade beqala ebenchini igame ama African players njengoShaluli bade beqala ebenchini igame but ithe mangabe sebe introduce uMutawu contributile emagolini o2 yabo eyokuqala ibhola kube neswish kade isuka ku Santos ekade eme lapha like throw khona ibhola kulayini waliheda ngekhanda ibhola walibuyisa wadlala kamnandi ibhola futhi sawubona uShukela uMutawu bengiqala umbone noShukela khatha yini ngaphakathi washaya assist uMutawu kulesibili futhi bene contribution uMutawu noShalulile futhi udlalile futhi so uyabona ukuthi lapho bamprove wrong kodwa I believe ukuthi ukube iSundowns igame isheshe yayiwina ngefirst half mhlawumbe kube u2-0 ngefirst half ubengekaza ba introduce uMutawu so ihlezi ikhona leyo nto kocoach ukuthi ucoach athi ngifuna ukwenza okuhlukile okusha mina yabo ukuze khona kuzobonakala ukuthi style of play sami sinjani yabo nje wakuthenga ama players weSundowns asebenzise wona lawa amasha lawa amadala wayekela ama players of which kuyalimaza kakhulu ibhola leSouth Africa ukuthi singababoni abadlali bala eSouth Africa bedlala emathimini nabo ngoba ibona ama stars ethi sithembele kuona kubafana abafana oMutawu you can't bench uMutawu ke kwaba nama rumors ukuthi akwiPirates akhumbula bengitshela kodwa ke nami bengikudoubt-a ke lokuthi ayi
ngahle kwenzeka
kanjani noma eAfrica bengakukholwa lokho angizange ngize kukhona kodwa uyathenga umdlali ku social media eSouth Africa uthenge uyawazi wagqokiswa ngisho ijezi kwaze kwanama debates but igcine kwenzakalanga
which goes back to the conversation we also had ukuthi we don't have abantu abakwazi ukuthi besicacisele kahle. I'm not invalidating or looking down on anyone or intathelo kwazi ukuthi asilungisele like asitshele kahle izinto but okwamanje asikakabi nayo intathelo even eyodwa ngisho ukuthi uyodwa ezokwazi ukuthi icacisele kahle once there's a rumor that breaks out umuntu azokwazi ukutshela ukuthi no that's not true because usuyabona they're all gathering comments, they're all gathering likes uthothi umuntu uzo Twitter athi I heard something about uMutawu sekumele sibuze kwenzakaleni even though leyo ndaba isuka trend at that time uthola ukuthi nayo they're also going to ride the wave so it's also just disappointing to know ukuthi asikakabi na umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi asicacisele kahle kusael if indaba ongayizwanga ngeteam isungaphumile
abakhona ba poster uthola ukuthi into esiyenzeke ngalelo langa
yes mewukuthi
bayiposta kuqala impela angiphiki kodwa ngathini mhlambe futhi nawo ama team singasho sithi ase professional kakhulu ayakwazi ukuthi ayifihla izinto nama agents futhi nawo ayakwazi ukuthi abe professional ayifihla izinto ukuthi khona ingxoxo eqhubekalayo neteam ethile ayakwazi ukufihla lokho ngingasho njalo mina ngoba nabo laba bathembakalile aba verified umuntu uyiposta into ngalelo langa uthi yabona siyipostwe yipage
le team
most of them abakwazi ukuyiposta 2 days before cha bayiposta ngalelo langa lelo
and kodwa I also appreciate ukuthi kunento kanjalo because it keeps things exciting yabo manje mase sesikhuluma ngebhola lapha eshe ayiseke excitement ebakhona imagine how the internet would have broke if sasingakatshela ukuthi uKylian Mbappe uya ku Real Madrid if satshela ngololo suku esesayinile ukuthi uMbappe usephase wonke ama test because manje uFabrizio ucathulisa esafika kwi-building esho ukuthi there's talks ephinde kutshela ukuthi kade sekwenziwa ama medical tests lana uzwa nje sekuthiwa usibanwana usesayiniwe so that's also good it's also exciting it keeps the game alive because mothatha ubheka back in the day do you remember uRonaldo esana kwi-Juventus the internet went crazy because kwangabi bikho umuntu okazi ukuthi akuphuce lo juice ibhola siyalthanda you know so ama surprises now it's really nice ukuthi to be surprised ukuthi hayibo uSibani usele so that's also
njobe ye kuSundowns
uyabo
kwathusa kakhulu kwasale ngokuthi uye kuSundowns kwathusa wonke umuntu and I must say ngamjabulela angifuni uqamba amanga ngamjabulela mina umdlalo ukuthi ubedlalela i-team mhlawumbe engiyisupportayo noma engiyithandayo uma ngabe kuthiwa akaphathene kahle neclub into engicabangayo it's not football kuphela ikhaya ukuthi uzokwazi ukusupport abantwana bakhe uzokwazi ukusupport ekhaya so if umdlali ekuthiwa uya kwenye team right ngiyakujabulela lokho for umdlali ngiyazi abantu bavele bathi you are not bigger than the team kwashaya cema kanjani ekugcineni abantu kumele basupport izingane zabo as much as ibhola sili enjoy kumele sibukele on a perspective yebhola kuphela kumele sicabanga ukuthi lo muntu lona ihead family kumele support so ngesikhathi kuthiwa uya kwiMamelodi Sundowns I was so happy for him ngisho
Yeah.
angabuya azongcwabe ePirates still kuyafana ngingaba happy for yena because egcineni umjida kumele ondle izingane zakhe as
Yeah.
much as kungabhlungu on the side of football but for yena ukuthi uvukile mfethu right ayi bese ngiphatheke kabuhlungu ngimbuka umjida ubone ukuthi u depressed
Akasaposti
no coach
nopost.
wayo obi college futhi enza ama silly comments
Yeah.
ethi akasiyena lo wamaziwe ngabe
Yeah.
kwangiphatha kakhulu lokho futhi kwakungekho right.
Yeah, which also goes back to the debate yayikhona ukuthi uMbokazi, why would he go to MLS, because it's not a league that's considered to be league right ba right Messi because they've been kwi-peak ye career yabo. But mase sokhuluma about backgrounds and just seeing this from a business perspective and a person or onomndeni, it makes sense.
Umuntu angaphuka manje uzothini ke so ideal mangabe ikhona enkulu akayisayini umuntu indaba zokuthi iliga ayodlala kuyona injani ayisho lutho lonto ekugcineni ngoba lama team abamfisela wona what if bona abayiboni potential kuyena.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe babeka i-off encane futhi ngoba kuyavela ukuthi yake yabeka i-off encane eEurope
Yeah.
bay reject so if i-off inkulu ekugcineni umuntu imali support imndeni wakhe so mina ngikushayela ihlombo kusana wakhe la khona uzoba right futhi.
Yeah, he'll definitely be good. And then next week iyaqala iNedbank Cup. Iyaqala iNedbank Cup, and the defending champions, do you see them going far this season?
Laba baphiwe.
Yeah. Do you see them going far?
Laba baphiwe.
Ngicela ungangiphakazisi.
Laba baphiwe. Ani baphiwe kwi-Eros baphiwe nakhona futhi. Igame yabo yokuqala bazoyiwina because badlala nabantu abahlezi bebashaya. Badlala nabantu abahlezi bebashaya. iStellenbosch icase yashaya mfethu. Angifuni ukudlala ngawo. Njalo ngisho ungavuka ngo3 ukuthi ahambe uyodlala neStellenbosch izofika ishaya. Uvusa abadlali belele ukuthi amani uyodlala. abeStellenbosch bade bekhempini bazoyishaya. So iStellenbosch icase yashaya iStellenbosch. Igame yabo yokuqala bazodlula kuyona. Singazi ukuthi kwalandelayo bazoqondana noba.
Yep, and that was it for the weekly show AAUBT. We will be back next week.
Sibonge.